If you're using a Xiaomi phone and you're tired of Google messages and you want to switch to the real Xiaomi messaging experience, this video is for you. By default, Xiaomi now ships phones with Google Messages as the default messaging app, but many people prefer MIUI message because it feels cleaner, faster and more Xiaomi native. In this video, I will show you how to switch from Google Messages to MIUI message and set it as your default messaging app. First things first, you need the MIUI message app. You won't find the official MIUI message app on Play Store, so I have placed a safe download link in the video description below. Just download and install it like a normal app, although you'll have to bypass a lot of security warnings before you install it on your phone. After installing the application, you need to head over to your settings, phone settings. You need to scroll down to where you'll see the applications, the apps. Click on it, go to the manage applications. You need to click on the three dots on top of your screen. Click on them and then click on the other settings. Such a page should appear. You need to click on the default applications, default apps, and then on the messaging app, you need to click on it once. And then you will select the default Xiaomi messaging applications, which looks like this. It has a logo like this. And after that, the changes should be saved automatically, and that should be it. Now, this is important. MIUI message works best on Xiaomi phones running the HyperOS. If your phone is still running on MIUI, the app may not work properly, or it may crash or fail to set as default. So, for the best performance, HyperOS is recommended. Make sure that you follow us and like this video if it helps you.